The Xbox Elite Series 2 is the perfect controller. This is why. So when it first came out, there was nothing else that came close because of full customizability of the design of the Elite Series 2. So you have different profiles. That's profile 1, profile 2, profile 3. That's what these lights are. So you get all these different profiles. You get full customization. For example, we can take this off. We can take this off. We can take all these parts off. At the back here, we get customization of all the parts as well. So for example, this is all the way down, and if I press this, this goes halfway. Press this, it goes a little bit. Also, these parts come off. So you see how we can really control our gameplay. The controller really is sturdy. The quality of it is really good. Like, there's no scratches, no nothing over time. It's done a fantastic job. I mean, look at it. Still in great quality. Right, some other features. So we got this bag. So inside the bag, you got a charge port at the back. And inside, you got a whole bunch of other options. You get this for tightening different parts. That's most of the stuff you'll get inside the bag, plus the charger, and you get a little pouch as well. So it really does offer full customizability, and there's a lot of controllers on the market that try and emulate what the Elite Series 2 has done, but they haven't done it close to what the Elite Series 2 really is. And you can customize all these buttons, these ones, so customize for whatever you like. So if you want this to be an A button, this can be an A button, R2 and all that sort of stuff. So for gameplay, pressing those back buttons, it's gonna make gameplay a lot easier. So that's why I love the Elite Series 2, and I think it is one of the best controllers of all time. And of course, we all know there's other iterations of the Elite Series 2 where they're all in different colors, but the original is just best because it comes with the pouch, it comes with everything you need already, and the quality is just fantastic. Like, I haven't had an issue with it at all. Connects straight away, no connectivity issues, haven't taken it back. I've had this thing for 2 years now, so overall, it's an absolutely fantastic controller. It does everything you need. Overall, I think the Elite Series 2 just beats all other controllers on the market. Even the Scarf, even all other competitors. I still feel like the Elite Series 2 just does the best job, and I highly recommend it for anyone. Just the OG Elite Series 2.